Yo people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to give yourself a skin fade from the comfort of your own home. What you're going to need for this haircut is a pair of clippers, attachments, a mirror, a cutthroat razor and a brush. I'll leave the links for all the products in the description below. With the clipper lever closed, the first thing I'm going to do is make my initial guideline. I'm going to do both the sides first and then connect it at the back. Just make sure both sides are equal in height before you carry on. Next, I'm going to use the number 2 attachment to get rid of any bulk hair before I start the fade. When doing this, you want to avoid curving round your head at the top. Instead, go up in a straight line. With the lever fully open, I'm now going to create a second guideline around an inch above the first. We're now going to fade out the very first guideline we made at the bottom. To start with, close the lever 1/3 of the way and you want to fade up almost to the top of the next guideline. Now close the lever 2/3 of the way. The more you close the lever, the less higher you want to go. Remember, when fading guidelines, use a flick out motion to avoid cutting deeper into the hair. Now fully close the lever and remove the rest of the guideline. At this point, you only want to use the corners of the blade to literally touch the bottom of the first guideline that we made. Using the number 1 attachment with the lever closed, I'm now going to create my third and final guideline to complete this fade. The same as last time, you want to go an inch above the previous guideline below. Next, I'm going to use the half grade attachment with the lever closed to fade out the bottom line. Now, using the 1.5 grade with the lever open, it's time to connect the fade into the top of the hair. Adjust the lever as you need to refine the fade for your own preference. Using clipper attachment number 1, touch over any darker areas. Remember, use a flicking motion as you're only softening the fade. Now that this side's complete, repeat the same 7 steps for the opposite side and then the back. To fade the back of your hair, reflect your handheld mirror into the bigger mirror. At first it might be tricky, but you'll get used to it. For the shape up, I personally use a cutthroat, but if you've never used one before, I would suggest you use your clippers instead. Thanks for watching and I hope you've benefited from this video. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe.